welcome to today's video. I'm really happy to be here because today we are talking about jewelry. You guys know I've been super into jewelry, everything from like classic, simple, basics, everyday jewelry, and then recently I showed you guys some fun summer things that I found that were a little bit more colorful. But today we are going to talk about Talisa. So this is a Talisa box that I have here to show you. We're going to review it, check out what's inside, what they sent me, and yeah, this is gonna be a lot of fun. Before we dive into it, I wanna welcome anybody that is new to my channel. I hope you guys enjoy, stick around and subscribe. You can also follow me on my other social accounts as well. I'm gonna leave those all linked down below. I actually have never done a jewelry subscription box. So this here is the Talisa box. It is a jewelry subscription that is personalized to you. Not only is it personalized, you are able to receive your box, try on the items, and you get to pick out what you want to keep and what you don't want to keep, and you have a 7-day span to do that. I think that's so cool. I've never tried anything like that before, so we're gonna jump in to this box. I'm so excited. Oh, and just so you guys know, all the pieces that I'm gonna show you today are all 18 karat gold Vermeil. You guys know I love a gold Vermeil, and it's such good quality pieces at such an amazing price if you get it in the Talisa box. So if you have sensitive skin and you're looking for quality products, the 18 karat gold Vermeil is going to be your best friend. I am so excited to jump into my box and open everything with you guys and unbox it with you. I think the really cool part about this is that you're able to personalize your pieces. I don't know any place where you can get personalized jewelry as a subscription, and you basically get to try everything on and pick out the things that you want to keep. Now you can personalize things from names, birthstones, initials. So I gave them a few of the things that I liked. I gave them, I think, some birthstones, some initials maybe. I have no idea what I'm gonna receive, so we're gonna find out together. The packaging is beautiful. It says Talisa Jewelry from Talisa with love on the side here, and it is a pull-out box. So this here is literally made for me. It's a thin gold chain with pearls. I don't know if it's a necklace, bracelet. We're about to find out right now. Oh my gosh, this is gorgeous. Okay. Ooh. I think it's a bracelet. Oh my gosh, I don't have many bracelets. I have maybe one tennis bracelet and a few gold bangles. Oh my goodness. Can you see that beautiful dainty bracelet? Oh my gosh. I've actually been super into pearls. Oh my gosh. All right, how do I put this on? All right, give me a second. I'm gonna put it on and show you. It is beautiful. I am so excited that this was in the box. This is just the most gorgeous thing. I actually have it on one of the largest loops because it was hard to do it by myself with one hand, but I kind of like it kind of loose because it can kind of just like flow here to my wrist, flow a little bit lower. This is gorgeous. I absolutely adore this. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 pearls, and then you have a huge section for the length of your bracelets. You can make it super small or super wide. This is the widest on me here, but I could have made it super tight to my wrist up here, but I like it like that. It's like that cute, perfect, dainty, casual, but dressed up bracelet. Is this not gorgeous? I'm so excited. Okay, love that one. I have one more bigger box and then one small box. Let's do the small one. Yeah, let's do the small one. I'm excited. All right. Oh my gosh, they're earrings. Okay, little box. I have this little drawstring here. Oh, they're hoop earrings. Yay. Okay, you guys know I love me a good simple hoop earring. So these are gold as well. Look how beautiful the detail is on these earrings. They're hooked together, but I hope you guys can see. The perfect, just huggy. It's like the perfect hoop to hug your earlobe. Oh my gosh. You guys know I live in gold hoops. Now I have another option because these have a beautiful texture and design to them. You guys, obsessed. Oh my gosh, I forgot to read the card. Wait, I'm not sure if everybody gets a card. but I have a card that says my name on it. And, oh, it's just your, oh, it's your stylist. And a return label if you need to return any of the pieces if you don't like them. And it gives you like a breakdown. Oh my gosh, cute. It gives you a breakdown of everything that's in your box so you can keep or return. Okay, this is all super straightforward. This is amazing. This is my stylist, Kira, and it has a QR code and everything. And it explains you have 7 days to try everything out and you can just return what you don't want. Oh my gosh. I mean, obsessed, even more obsessed. Okay, the last one, I did get a sneak peek of what the last one is because I opened the envelope. Okay. Oh my gosh. All right, so I gave them, I'm gonna put my box back here. I gave them a few initials of like the people that I love in my family. I gave them birthstones, like I said. They customized a necklace with the initials of myself, my mom, my niece, and my boyfriend. Oh my gosh. Okay, I need to show you. How freaking adorable. Look how dainty this is. I feel like sometimes personalized things can be a little bit gaudy, but this is just the most delicate, personalized with initials necklace ever. I am so excited to put this on right now. Oh my goodness. Oh, it's the perfect little chain, little choker. Look at that. Can you guys see how beautiful? It sits higher, so it's this perfect choker size. I would definitely layer this with other necklaces. Oh my gosh, but it's gorgeous just alone. And the chain is very similar to the thin chain on the bracelet, you guys. This, oh my god, I love all of it. Nothing is going back, that's for sure. I'm obsessed. I couldn't be happier with everything that I got. The earrings, the necklace, the bracelet. I'm really glad they sent over one of each piece that I can show you guys. I would wear this with anything, literally anything. It's so dainty and classy. Like with this little pattern top is so cute by itself. You can wear it with just a white t-shirt. You can dress it up with other necklaces and layer. Oh my gosh. And of course, I like everything in gold. They also offer other finishes like silver and stuff like that, but I'm a gold girly. Now I'm sure you guys are curious about the pricing. So within the box, you are going to receive 3 or more items that are chosen based on a style quiz that you're going to take on the website. Now each piece in the box is going to range from $49.95 to $149.95 in pricing, and you only get billed for what you actually want to keep. Now keep in mind there is a $40 styling fee per box, but you get 50% off on your first Talisa box styling, which is amazing. Now that $40 fee actually turns into a credit and it goes towards to any of the jewelry pieces that you want to keep from the box. So if you guys are looking for new jewelry that is simplistic, that's good quality, that you can actually personalize and choose for yourself, definitely check out the website, check out Talisa and this Talisa box, because it's such a good subscription, and whatever you don't like, you can just return it and send it back, and you only pay for the things that you keep. I absolutely love everything, and I can't wait to check out the website and look at other things that they have. If you guys have any questions, leave them down below. I'll leave all the links to everything that I received, and yeah, I'm gonna put any coupon codes here on the screen and down below as well. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye!